Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 3950 Ball Diamond Road in the town of Hector.
This is a picture-perfect hilltop farmhouse with acreage and million-dollar views of Seneca Lake.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. The hallmark of every country home is the scenic and relaxing wraparound front porch, where you feel that revitalizing summer breeze and soak in those hillside and lake views. What an extraordinary way to welcome family and friends to this farmhouse. Enjoy sweeping countryside and lake views from every room in this home. This 4-bedroom and 2 full bathroom farmhouse provides great country living. With sizable rooms, custom moldings, and built-ins, it's the charming character you love. Its vintage and authentic feel embodies the spirit of the Finger Lakes region.
This country home features low-maintenance vinyl siding and windows, plus a metal roof, all with an oversized 4-car garage and loft storage for all your gear. There is nothing like living in the country. With expansive acreage for privacy complemented by exquisite landscaping and breathtaking views. This is a premier hilltop location with unbelievable sweeping views in all directions. Plus, located in the heart of the Finger Lakes region, also known as the Napa Valley of the East, with easy access to Watkins Glen, Ithaca, and Geneva. What a great location! Rob, this is a great place.
This is amazing Sampson State Park, which features over 2,000 acres for all your outdoor activities. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Seneca Lake. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 3950 Ball Diamond Road in Hector.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!